In a significant breakthrough in the ongoing crackdown on narcotics, the Tripura police in Khowai district seized around 10,000 bottles of banned cough syrup concealed under stone chips in a dumper truck. The discovery was made following a successful operation carried out based on a tip-off, according to a senior police official. The operation was initiated when Mungyakami police station officer in charge Gautam Debarma received information that a truck entering Tripura from an outside state was smuggling a substantial amount of narcotics with Agartala as the destination. Acting swiftly, Debarma, along with Sub-Divisional Police Officer Panna Lal Sen, a large police contingent and DCM Bishwajit Mojumdar set up an ambush at the 41-mile Naka area. Upon identifying the suspicious truck, the police intercepted the vehicle. And after unloading the stones it was carrying, they discovered 54 pink boxes and 18 blue boxes. A thorough inspection of these boxes revealed 8,100 bottles of S-Cuff syrup and 1,800 bottles of fensidyl syrup, both banned substances under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act in bordering state Tripura. Sub-Divisional Police Officer Panna Lal Sen confirmed that the estimated value of the seized contraband is over rupees 50 lakh. The truck driver and co-driver were immediately arrested by the police.